kayong laruan? Playtime. Oops. Playtime. Paano na kaya ito mag-play? Play? Whoop.
Jay! Jay! Oh! Liga! Jay!
Oh, dad. Tao.
Okay na yan.
Pasuyin mo na. Sige, wala. Ari.
Saan po?
Saan?
Ha?
May pupuntahan po mamaya si Kuya.
Oh,
Bayan. Dahil sarado ko po pinto. Di mo bintana.
so cute. Wait, urong ka doon. Baka mahulog. Kataas yung palong. Magaya. Oops.
Pagkikita ko na sa inyo.
Ooh, hello everyone. Good morning. Thank you for watching again. Please hit the like button. Thank you. Update for our baby cockatiel. Update. Wow. This is an update on our baby cockatiel. Oops, 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 oops. Oops. Play, 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 play. Jessica Terrafel. Hi, thank you. Jessica, thank you for watching. Mendoza Steve, thank you. Hello. Hello, Steve. Hello, Jessica. Oops. Oops, 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 oops. Thank you, guys. Hey. Wait, 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 wait. Oop, oop. Wait. Go there. Whoops, careful. Hello, everyone. Say hello, everyone. Ay, si Oreo, Shade. Oh, andito pala. Sorry, Oreo. Oreo is there. Hi, Oreo. Pasok mo ulit si Oreo. Ilalabas natin si Happy. Shade. Bye, Oreo.
Bye-bye. We get happy.
Sige na. Happy, come, Happy.
Hindi ko maginanito. Siya lang mag-isa yung ano.
Nakataas yung palong ni ano. Ni Smiley. Happy, come.
Kasi happy na kay Kuya Steve.
Happy, come. Happy. Lagay mo dito. Hello, Happy. Hi, Happy. Hello, Happy. Thank you for the like. Hello, Ashley. Welcome back. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for coming back. Hello, Ashley. Thank you so much, Ashley. Thanks for the support. Here is Smiley again. He just finished her or his meal. And this one is happy. Hi, say hi, Ashley. Thank you so much. Thank you for the heart. And thank you for the like. Oh, that was so cute. Happy, what are you doing? Come here. Happy, come. Come, mommy. Come, mommy, Happy.
Ah!
Oh, why? What happened? What happened to your bird? Okay.
Tingnan mo siya, no? Nakahiga sa ano mo.
Nasaan si Happy? Happy.
Nakahiga sa imar.
I was chilling in my room and I went into the living room. He was not there. Oh. OMG. Is she a girl or a boy? What kind of a bird? I hope she or he coming back soon. That's the name of your bird. We have a YouTube channel. It was Pikachu. Oh, seems like our bird too. The name is Pikachu, the male one. We have the same name. Also Pikachu. What kind of bird do you have? Do you have a YouTube channel? Oh yeah. I'm gonna visit your channel too. So that I can see your bird. So that I can see Pikachu. Is it a male? Because our bird is a male, that's why we no. She just named it Pikachu. I had a wine from like Canada. Oh, I see. Is it a cake? Is it a cockatiel too? Or a parrot? Ah, yeah, it was a male. Same. Oh, a parrot. You have a YouTube channel? Ashley Day is also the name of your YouTube channel. I'm going to visit your YouTube. I wanted to see your Pikachu. A parrot. That was so cute, a parrot. Hey, do you feel cold? Come here. Halika dito. Smiley, come. Halika, dali, come. Oh, come here. You're hiding. You're hiding. Happy. Happy, come here. Wait, and I have to call Happy. Happy, come. Pikachu. Sweet Pikachu is still there in his cage. He can't get out because he didn't know how to get in. Hey. Happy. Jade, kunin mo nga si Happy, Jade. Play. You wanted to play? Okay. Here is Happy. Happy is afraid of Smiley. Oh. Music Mist. Hello from India. Hello, Music Mist. Thank you for watching. Hey, why are you hiding? Huh? It's so cute. Yeah. Thank you. Happy. Happy is a female. And Pikachu is there in his cage. Say hi, everyone. Hi. Hello, guys. Why? Dad, di ba kayo nilalamig to? Ang electric fan. Thank you for the like. How long do I have them? Excuse me. Happy is, I think, 2 years ago. She's 2 years old now. And then this Smiley, I think 2 weeks. She feels sleepy. Actually, there is your YouTube channel. I wanted to visit your YouTube channel too. I wanted to see Pikachu. I'm sure he's so cute. How many birds do you have? How many parrots do you have? What are your other pets? My bird Pikachu is still gone. Oh no. I'm sure you're gonna miss him. Missing him so much. I don't have any. Oh, I have a dog and a cat. And these birds. I have 3 birds. Actually, we have 3 birds before that was lovebirds. But it's also gone. So I have now this 3 Cockatiel. Oh no, so sad. So sad to lose best friend. I hope it's coming back soon. So soon. Happy, halika nga, dali. Oh, come, halika kay mami. Scratch, you don't like? Ayaw mo magpa-scratch? Oh, Happy is angry. She's mad at me. She's mad. Oh. Oh yeah. A banana color. Hey, come back here. Sometimes we're calling her banana. This one, Smiley, is yellow, white, and black. Mixed color.
Yeah, yun.
Halika dito. Ilagay mo nga dito. Ah, may ipot. Umipot na naman. Wow. Love the sound. Wow. Dito ka. Katabi ni Smiley. Smiley. Bakit galit ka ba? Galit ka ha? Ha? Galit? Are you mad? Oh yeah, I understand Ashley. You take care. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So much appreciated for coming back, for watching my YouTube channel, my videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you, Ashley. What time you gonna be live again? I think tomorrow morning, if I'm not busy. After we done our coffee time, you know, in the morning. So maybe around 7 or 8. Umipot na? Hi, umipot uli. Wait. Ito si ano eh. Si ipot bird. Si ipot bird. Thank you so much, Ashley. You take care always, please. Be safe always. Thank you. Thank you to all people watching. I gotta go now. Okay, thank you so much again. Bye-bye, Ashley. Ooh, what's that? Bye, Ashley. Thank you. Happy? Why are you mad? Okay, Happy, galit ka ba? Happy, tingin dito. Look at me. Hey, girl. Look at me. Look at me. Hey, come here. Balik mo lang dito, dad. Ang isa nilalamig yata. Happy, are you mad? Ha? Kataas ang palong mo, oh. Look at that. Oh, again. Why are you mad? Why are you so mad? Come here. Hey, come here. Ay, ayaw niya. You don't want to? Happy. Come, mommy, Happy. Come, mommy. Happy, come. Pati na tayo. Ay, ayaw. May sumpong. This one na lang. Nagki-cleaning ng kanyang feather. Wow, love the cutest sound. Pero mas malaki talaga siya doon kesa doon. Naulan. Wow. Ang ganda ng tindig eh. Oops. Oh! Ang ganda. So beautiful. Wow! Oops, oops. Ito din. Oh. Sige na di. Kasi nag-ano na siya. Nagaganon. Allah, it's so raining. It's raining cats and birds. Hey! Ano? Gusto mo nang matulog? Ha? Happy? Why are you so mad? Why are you so mad at me? Ha? Halika kaya. Halika kay mommy. Oh, but why? Why you don't like it? You don't want me to hold you? Come here. Come here. Sige na. Sige na, my love. There you go. Hello, everyone. Kiss mo na si mommy. Kiss mommy. Hey. Naantok ka na? Gusto mo nang matulog? Busog eh. Just done eating. So that's why you wanted to sleep. Oh, busog oh. Happy, bati-bati na kayo dali. Oh, happy. Happy, look at look mommy, happy. Happy, look at me. Happy. Oh, tulog na. Busog ka pa nga dyan eh. Nagaganyan ka na agad. Meron na siyang balahibo. The feathers are getting thicker. Not same as before. Growing na yung kanyang feathers. At saka yung kanyang wings ay meron na. Update sa kanyang wings. There you go. Tsaka yung kanyang tail. Ayan. But before, ang liit pa po niyan. Update on our baby cockatiels. The feather. Okay. Hey! Happy. This is Happy. If you're happy and you know it, I think I have to make a video. Sometimes I'm tired of editing. Yeah, maybe I had to make a video for them. And then I'm gonna upload it. If I don't have a time to have a live, at least I have a video of them. Ooh, that was powerful. Ew. Wow. Wow. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going, bro? Happy. 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 Happy.
Be, natuloy yung aircon. Be. Be.
Patayin mo muna yung aircon. Sige, pag di ka lang talaga dyan nakahubad. Pag-videohan talaga kita. Okay.
Yung gamit niya, dapat di ubusin yung ang dala niya.
Okay.
Dala lahat siya ng isa.
Baka kasi nandyan lahat ng kailangan niya.
Ang gagamitin niya lang.
Sabihan mo.
Ang nilalagay niya.
Paglilinis ng katawan niya. Uy. Uy. Ang cute niyong dalawa. Cute, cute. Oops, talikuran na ulit.
Wow.
Hey, happy. Tingin dito, dali. Happy. Bye guys, I have to end my live now. It's time for us to go. Thank you again guys for supporting, for watching. These two cute cockatiels. Thank you so much. Oh. Oops. Boomerang. Ew. Have to go now. Bye bye everyone. Bye. Thank you again. I'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Wag, ako na. Andiyan pa kasi sila. Ayokong mag-end hanggat may tao pa.
Dito pa sila.
Daw siya.
Well, laki ng... Nagalit naman si Smiley.
Sabi si Maren.
Wag sis. Wag nga. Ibalik mo dito si Happy.
Oh, first time niya.
Ipot.
She sensed the danger.
Ew. Bye. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. I have to go now. I have to end my live. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Bye.
Sorry.